Howdy folks. So you need to take security seriously. What I did was put this gate up here, and what you want to have is a buffer zone between you and solicitors or whoever else, you know, that's coming up. You don't want them right on top of you at the door. You see what I'm saying? You want a little buffer zone. I picked up this gate in San Antonio, little antique shop. It was like $200 something, $250. Cleaned it up, put a Rust-Oleum on it. I watched a video on YouTube, and then we had a welder come out. You can see he welded these in here, and my mom, I believe, found these online. These little caps. It's pretty cool. It's perfect. We painted them too. And then if you see, I had the doorbell set up right here. I just bought this at Walmart. Just a regular wireless doorbell, and it has a base inside. The reason I didn't put so this whole thing's gonna be about a Roku doorbell. I didn't put it out here because somebody could come up and take it, rip it off, and take off with it. I'd rather they press this button, and the Roku will pick them up. Come on, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Come on, yeah. And so check it out. Now, I got the wire-free video. Make sure you get this. If you don't have a doorbell already set up, it's going to be wire-free, okay? That's going to be running off a battery. Now, this one can go battery or wired. But, yeah, I picked it up at Walmart for
$100.
Yeah, it was $100. Right, $100. Here it has HD video, rechargeable battery, two-way audio. It's pretty cool. Person detection, detect package, cloud storage, weather resistant. I'm gonna get another camera for over our garage, an outdoor camera. It's like 40 something bucks, 45 bucks. It was super easy to put together and simple. It's just simply take the doorbell out. You put this little base on it, and it's got the sticky adhesive part of it. You got this little base inside. It needs to be 30 feet away, and you plug it in. Or it can be up within 30 feet away. And that's your ringer, you know. And right now we're on camera, you know, so we're being recorded. And so there is a membership, I believe, eventually if you want to get it. I'm going to check it out and see where they're saved, the videos and everything. Yeah, just come up real quick. And we charged when we first got it. How long we've had it now? It's been about a week or two, I think, huh? Mm-hmm. And we charged it one time. I think we're at 70% now. But it's held a charge, like really good. Really good. I was worried, like when I first had to charge it, like, God, is this gonna be a daily thing, you know? But absolutely not. It's held its charge really good. And we, you know, I don't know if the battery goes down when we're looking at the video, but you know, I always check it now. And so it's pretty basic. It's pretty basic little setup here. It's got a little base, a little adhesive. You know, I could have put it anywhere, really. You just got a little thing, you plug it in, you hook it back up here. There we go. And then you get here. And you come on the phone. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna check it out. Hello? Hello? I have a delivery for HEB.
1 second.
Hello? Hola. One second.
All right, another cool thing I got the Roku's because you're supposed to be able to watch it on here. You just gotta program it, and there's instructions in the app, and that you just follow the real basic. Let's see here. Okay, let's check it out. All right, another reason that I got this was because I can look at it on the Roku. Let's check it out. It's running slow. There it is. There she is. All right, it says press star for options. We'll do that. Okay. Give you events and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. All right, I like it. Here's where we got the base plugged in. It just needs to be 30 feet away from the doorbell. That's the view at night.